I'm Fish. Can't find my mic. I think it slipped off of my neck, or I just left it where I put it last. Come on, let's put you on and let's get going. The DJI Osmo Nano settings that I am going to let you know what I'm shooting with right now. I'm gonna just try to get it off the top of my head and tell you what it is, because I got so many cameras that set up in different ways. 4K 30 frames per second, and it's on natural wide, and the image stabilization doesn't make a difference. It's on one of them, I believe, rock steady, or the highest one that you're allowed. And if I go into the pro settings, I am on the EV value -0.3. I'm on the shutter speed 1/100th over 8,000 to stop the jitteriness in the video, and that gives you the smoothness. And the ISO minimum 100, maximum 25,000 plus, I believe. I can't remember exactly what it is, because it doesn't make sense if it's 6,400, 12,800, 25,400. I can't just recall anymore. And sure enough, auto white balance. We have scene stabilization. We have an added bonus in there called motion blur or something like that, and that's what we're on. We're not on sport, we're not on daily, we're on that motion blur piece. Fish, doesn't the extra Atto have scene select, daily, and sport? And you're talking about motion blur. Can you actually tell us what it is and what you're looking at in the camera? This is called anti-motion blur. It's not on. So as I walk, it's going to stop the flickering, those black bars that you get that scroll in your video, neon lights, anything that will flicker. Basically, it's like what's called 60 hertz and 50 hertz, NTSC and PAL. So right now I got it on daily. I don't know if you see anything different, but what I'm going to go do, I'm going to back up, I'm going to turn it on and do the same walk, but it may not show what it's supposed to show. So here I am on the same shot with the anti-motion blur, which is basically called anti-flicker in my eyes, that will control the flickering of lights, like Christmas lights on, or certain lights in the house that will cause flickering. On the very first time I noticed this, basically I was in the boiler room, and man, did I get flicker big time. Once I set the shutter speed, the flicker went away. Unlike a Heinz 57 ketchup bottle, I say that because some of these new kids, most of the new kids, they don't understand me anyway. And Heinz 57, WD-40, just like the name, it took them 57 tries just to get the ketchup going. And WD-40, the same thing. That's how they came out with those names. That's how I remember it. I should sit with the notepad, read off all the ups, downs, the goods, the bads, the uglies, the love and hate relationship of the camera. But there'd be way, way too many things I'd be noted down, and I'd be here forever. So yeah, I'm going to my highlight and polish up this video. Not all cameras are made equal. We all know that. There's always a camera that will have what you want that another camera won't have what you want. And we should have hand gesture, but we have pat the camera, not on the camera, and custom in the camera. Only and only when the camera is in a hibernation, off, standby. If we had hand gesture and not voice command, hand gesture to me will work just fine. So I don't have to come to the camera or hit the remote control or get so many different things. And that's what I'm just trying to say. But if I say stop recording and I was saying something that had the word start, stop in that syllable, the camera would stop, depending on the distance of the actual internals, which I'm using now, or the microphone. It's time for me to get on out of here, and I got to go meet up with Joe. And dude, take care of beeswax. It's not that important for the beeswax to be taken care of today. but it gives me something to do. I got one thing, two of the same but similar. One's a giant size and one's a mini size. And I think I'm going to go ahead and go do that and share it to the world. And the other one is going to make me comfy. Yeah, it may not be as comfortable as I want it to be, but it's going to be a comfy one. I'm going to end this by telling you the setting I'm on right now and the mode. I changed over to, you got it, the video mode. Somebody threw out some nice cases in the garbage, man. They could be used for your camera gear or something. I'm on 4K, 60 frames per second, the highest image stabilization. On Pro, I'm on D-Warp, standard field of view. And Pro is set to, you got it, shutter speed 1/200th over 8,000. And EV negative 1.0, and minimum to maximum on the ISO. That scene step, anti-motion blur, and I said auto white balance on auto, and that's about it. Now the difference is, because it's getting lighter in the sky, it'll work out just fine using video mode. You don't have to use Super Night all the time, but Super Night, pure video, the low light performance is important when you do shots. You could use it daytime, indoor. It basically improves the image in such a way that I enjoy leaving it on. That's just me, the fish. That's my vlog for today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. And I'm not sure what I want to do with my editor, but there's a lot to talk about, a lot to share, what to do. I should go to CapCut, but I should go to Resolve. I should stick with Filmora. I should reload back up Magic's Movie Suite 2025. I should just go back to Power Director and purchase it 365 for a couple of years. But I'm holding off for a certain reason. I'm waiting for, you got it, for that thing to come out. Once it comes out, then I can decide the editor and the OS I want. Have a great day.